Animal science is a wide variety of learning about animals, we do livestock production to equine science to beef science to small animal. We learn about their reproduction, we learn about nutrients, genetics, we learn about the parts of the animal. So it's just a wide variety of animals in general. Most people like to take small animal because we talk about like your common dogs, cats, rabbits, reptiles. A lot of people can relate to that, but then of course we do have like beef science where we learn about beef cattle and equine because that's a big part of our community.
My favorite experience is being able to get to go on mini farm calls with the vet that I work for and just be able to see all of the different animals that I get to work with. My favorite in-class experiment that I've ever done is definitely working with the dogs in animal science and being able to inject medicine, aka water, for an injection course. To describe animal science with just the different types of animals that you can work with. There's very many courses that you have through animal science. You can do medical, you can do training, you can do radiology, you can do mostly anything with just the different types of animals that you have.
A lot of the kids here, you know, they do go into agriculture and they go on to the animal science pathway, but at the same time, a lot of them are going to be hobby farmers. They continue with a family beef cattle farm, or they continue with livestock production in some form or fashion, or they get a companion animal. So I do feel like it's going to relate to them in their future, the information, and they're going to need to know it as they graduate.